CD players are back, and this one might actually change your mind about streaming. This is the FiiO DM15 R2R, a portable CD player that costs $270 and does a whole lot more than just spin discs. Today we're finding out if it's worth your money, and whether CDs are even worth bothering with in 2025. Let's start with how it looks and feels. The DM15 R2R is built from solid aluminum and glass. It feels heavy, about 470 grams, but in a good way. It feels premium, not cheap. The top has a clear glass window, so you can actually watch the disc spin while it plays. It looks really cool. The lid snaps shut with a magnet. All your buttons and controls are on the front, including a nice smooth volume knob. There's also a small screen showing what's playing and what mode you're on. FiiO even includes a remote control, which is a nice touch. It comes in 4 colors: black, red, white, and silver. Whichever you pick, it looks great on desk. You can also use it as a USB DAC. That means you plug it into your computer and it makes your music sound better. You can connect wireless headphones or speakers over Bluetooth. You can even rip your CDs onto a USB drive as WAV files while you listen. And if you want to hook it up to bigger speakers, there are digital and optical outputs on the back. For headphones, you get 2 outputs, a standard 3.5mm jack, and a balanced 4.4mm. The balanced output is seriously powerful at over 1000 milliwatts. It can drive even tough, hard-to-run headphones with no problem. Battery life is around 7 hours, and there's a desktop mode so you can skip the battery entirely when it's plugged in. The big deal here is the DAC inside, the R2R part of the name instead of the usual chip-based sound. This one uses a ladder of tiny resistors to turn digital music into analog audio. The result is a sound that feels warmer, smoother, and more natural. Less digital, more real. It's not just a marketing claim. Reviewers across the board describe the sound as musical and involving. There are also 8 EQ presets and 3 bass levels if you want to adjust the tone yourself. Here's the honest answer. If you already own CDs or love browsing record stores, yes, this is absolutely a great pick. You own the music, no subscription, no algorithm. And with a player like this, it sounds fantastic. If you've never bought a CD in your life, it feels like a bigger jump, but a lot of people that are making that jump right now are loving it. The FiiO DM15 R2R is the best portable CD player you can buy right now. At $270, it's a real piece of audio gear, not a toy. If you care about how music sounds and want something that you can hold in your hands, this is it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. I'll see you in the next one.